In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your microphone settings using your computer's sound settings. This can be especially useful if you're encountering issues with audio during calls, recordings, or just want to ensure your sound levels are optimized for the task at hand. Let's dive right into it. First, let's navigate to your desktop. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you should notice a small icon that resembles a megaphone. This is your sound settings icon. Go ahead and right-click on this icon. Once you do that, a menu should appear on your screen. From this menu, select the option labeled Sound Settings. Upon clicking Sound Settings, a window will pop up, revealing several options. Direct your attention to the Advanced section within this window, where you'll find an option called More Sound Settings. Clicking this will open up another window, presenting you with even more detailed sound settings. Next, let's locate the Recording tab within this newly opened window. Go ahead and click on it. Now you should see a list of recording devices. This is where you'll identify the microphone you are currently using. When you find it, give it a click to highlight or select it. Once your microphone is selected, direct your attention to the Properties button, which is typically located at the bottom right of the window. Clicking Properties will open another menu dedicated entirely to your microphone settings. In this menu, there will be several tabs along the top. Look for the tab labeled Levels and click on it. This section is where you can finally adjust the volume level of your microphone. Here you'll see sliders that represent both the volume level and any boost that might be applied. Adjust these sliders according to your preference or needs. A good rule of thumb is to start with moderate settings and adjust slowly to see what works best for your specific microphone and environment. It's important to make small adjustments and test them to avoid any distorted or excessively loud audio. Once you've made your changes, make sure to click OK to apply these new settings. And just like that, you're done. Your microphone should now be set to your desired specifications, allowing for clearer and more precise audio capture. Remember, adjusting the microphone levels is essential for ensuring clear communication, whether it's during virtual meetings, podcast recordings, or gaming sessions. By mastering these simple adjustments, you can significantly improve your audio quality, making your interactions more professional and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to return to this video anytime you need a refresher. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Have a great day.